In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zerion Wallet. We'll walk through the core screen so you know exactly where to find the tools you'll use most. If you're brand new, remember that nothing here is financial advice. Always double check details before you transact. First, go to Zerion. Open Zerion in your browser or the mobile app and wait for your portfolio to load. If you use a passcode or device biometrics to unlock your wallet, do that as you normally would. Once you're in, give the app a second to sync balances across networks so what you see is up to date. Next, click on Home. This is your command center. Front and center, you'll often see your portfolio value and recent activity. Look for three key actions here: fund, send, and swap. Fund helps you add crypto to your wallet either by bridging, on-ramping, or moving assets from another wallet. Send lets you transfer tokens to another address. Always paste carefully and verify the network before sending. Swap is for exchanging one token for another without leaving the app. On Home, you can also spot your positions, NFTs, and watch lists, which makes it easy to monitor what matters at a glance. Now, click on Following at the bottom. This section is great for discovery. Here you can track notable wallets, protocols, and curated lists to see what they're holding or doing. It's a powerful way to learn and stay informed without copying anything blindly. If you choose to follow accounts, make sure they're legitimate and verified in the app, and remember that holdings change over time. Next, click on Swap. The swap screen shows a from and to field, network selection, and a quote. Zerion aggregates prices, so you'll usually get competitive routing. Review the minimum received, slippage tolerance, estimated gas fees, and price impact. If something looks off, adjust the amount, change the route if available, or wait for better conditions. Swapping requires network gas, so be sure you have a small balance of the native token on that chain. Finally, click on Rewards, then click on Explore. Rewards highlights campaigns, quests, and potential perks tied to partners and on-chain activity. Explore lets you browse what's available, read the requirements, and understand timelines or network specifics. Always review terms and confirm you're interacting with official links inside the app. Track your progress here and revisit periodically, as offers can change. That's the tour. With Home, Following, Swap, and Rewards, you're ready to navigate Zerion confidently and take the next step when you're comfortable.